Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for another Plan With Me video. This week I'm planning for the 17th till the 23rd of June and I'm using this really cute Serenity Now kit from the GP Sticker Studio. I didn't get the entire kit, just 4 sheets, so I got the full boxes, the half boxes, and then this is like the functional set, these last 2 pages here. And I think that's plenty for me to use in my spreads. I'm even considering that I didn't really need this sheet of boxes as well. But I do really like these and how they turned out. I've got some Kmart washies to use here and these beautiful gold foiled scripts from Monique Plans. And I had these leftover gold date covers from a previous GP Studio kit, but I think I'm going to end up using these script ones from Stella, Beau, Sticker Co. I think they're just a bit softer. So stay tuned if you want to see how all of this turns out. So I'm going to get started with the date covers. I'm going to go with these script ones from Stella, Beau, Sticker Co. I just think, yeah, they're a bit softer. I think the gold might have been too much with the other leftover ones. I'm just going to put these down. Some of them were cut a little bit funny towards the end of the week, like on an angle on the left side, but I can't notice it too much. You probably will now that I've pointed it out, but I don't think it looks that bad or anything. And then at the bottom, I'm just widening out the lines so that they don't peek through the washi tape that I'm going to use. I end up changing this a few times. So as you can see, I've got this black striped one and then I put the gold glitter washi underneath. Halfway through this video, I changed the black one out for one that's more white, I guess, like not as dark. But then after this video, I actually just changed it to have 2 strips of the gold. And I know it's very extra, but I think it looks really nice. Then I'm just gonna put some headers down underneath. I start off with these ones that came with the sheet of full boxes, but I don't know, I think I prefer just to have them all the same, so I end up using the gold like faux glitter headers or whatever they're called. These ones are really easy to take up though, because I did order the sheet of full boxes on vinyl, like removable vinyl paper, so it's not too stressful if you put the full box down in the wrong spot or anything like that. The only thing was they're a little bit more yellow than the premium matte paper, but overall I don't think it's a huge issue or anything. Then I'm just starting with a little page flag sticker and then a work script. I really liked layering these over in a previous spread I did, so I thought I would do that again. And then I'm just going to go in with the first full box. I just really love the artwork on these. I think it's really different to the other kits you see out there. It was a little bit, not intimidating, but just I was really interested to see how it would turn out with all the other stickers that I have. Underneath that, I'm just making a to-do list, and underneath, well, here I'm changing the washi, but under that to-do header, I just trimmed down one of the heart checklists so that it fits in that gap. On Tuesday, I'm changing it up a bit and putting the full box at the bottom of the page. And then I'm just going to make myself another to-do list. So again, just using one of the header stickers and trimming down a heart checklist as well. But in that middle section, I'm going to put down some of this washi, you can see that I'm doing that, and layer over it one of the little sticky note stickers. I really like these just because they're not the full width. It lets you be a bit more, I don't know, creative, and it looks a bit more decorative. So I'm going to use one of the little laptop icons and put those over the washi tape. on Wednesday, I'm just using that same washi tape to create a page flag. So the ones in the kit, there was 2 of the same of the one that I already used on Monday, but then the other 2 were the gold glitter, and I didn't know if you'd be able to see the script over that, so I just thought I'd bring in some more of that washi, kind of make it go throughout the spread, and I'm really happy with how that turned out. Then underneath, I'm just using one of these boxes, like an appointment label. It's got a little gold flag on it, but what I'm going to do is use these really cute, I really love these, the coffee cup icons. I have to see if you can get these in full sheets because I think they're really cute. And then underneath, just using another full box. And then I'm just using a few icons and these are the gold flags. So I'm using that down the bottom just so I can mark in anything that comes up on Wednesday, probably what TV show I'm watching, and then I've got the little cook icon there as well. And I'm just going to pop in what I'm going to make for dinner. And for the second half of the week, I'm just going to go ahead and pop down the rest of the glitter headers, and then on Thursday, I'm going to mark in work the same way I have been, so using one of the flag stickers and then the script sticker over the top. Then I'm just going to go ahead and pop down this half box. You'll notice I really didn't use many from this sheet, so I think maybe next time I order a GP kit, I'll just get the full boxes and the functional sheets, like the 2 sheets, and then I'll see how I go with that because I really don't need a full kit. I hate having so many leftovers. I mean, they're nice to use sometimes, but it just feels like such a waste. But anyway, you can see I've put the full box down at the bottom of the page along with a little to-do header. I'm using one of these little cleaning buckets. This is from an old GP sampler. Their new one is super cute. It's got the cat and then the dog. I think the dog's name's Gizmo. I can't remember the cat's name. Ooh. And then a few other icons. But I'm going to give that to Mum because she has a golden retriever, so the dog stickers are perfect for her to use in her planner. On Friday, I used an appointment label and the little alarm clock sticker at the start of the day. I've fallen into a really bad habit of sleeping in. I don't know, I feel like everyone's definition of sleeping in is different, but I got up at like 9 o'clock last week and I don't know, it just felt like I'd already wasted half the day. So I put in that little alarm clock sticker in the hopes that I'll wake up early and get a bit more done during the day. Then I used a full box, and then underneath I'm just playing around with some of the icons here, trying to make it work. I end up removing them and using one of the longer like flag stickers behind another one of the Monique Plan scripts. But how cute is this half box with the little like line drawing coffee cup? This artwork's so beautiful. So even though I do have leftovers, I will definitely be using these again. And I do put the little laptop sticker back down underneath because when I plan, I'm usually watching some Netflix or something like that. I think that's why I like doing these voiceovers, because I can watch something while I plan. I don't know, and then I can talk about it later. Otherwise, these videos would be so long. Now on Saturday, I did my usual thing of just popping down a washi strip at the bottom of the day. Then I put an appointment label with a little date night icon. I don't know if we'll do anything, but I don't know. I'm putting it out into the universe, probably go see a movie or something. We actually saw Rocketman last week and that was such a good movie. So if you guys have any recommendations for movies, whether they're at the cinema or literally like on Netflix, or if it's even showing on TV, let me know because that's our favorite thing to do together. So then I am doing the same thing that I did on Tuesday with the layering of the washi and the sticky note sticker. And then just putting, I think I put the other coffee icon on this one as well. in between I've got another one of the little flags. I think these looked really nice with the script layered over them, so I'm just putting in my little meal prep one there as well. Then on Sunday I'm back to work, so putting another one of the little flags using the washi and then layering the work script over the top, just like the rest of the week. Then at the bottom I'm using another half box. This one I actually put the cute little icon, it's like a relax icon with a robe. I love my dressing gown. I don't know about anyone else, but literally as soon as I get home, I usually just put it on over my clothes. I don't know. It's my favorite thing in the world. Then I've just got the two little like bullet points, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pop in some of these little gold foiled hearts from Monique Plans, just anywhere. Kind of needs some extra foil. But that is it. I really love how this kit turned out. The lighting is making it look a bit funny. The sun kept going behind the clouds, so I'll put some photos in of this spread. But I love it. This is probably, I don't know, I feel like I never really do gold foil. I lean more towards silver foil, but I really love the simplicity of the design and everything like that. Make sure you guys let me know what you think and give this video a like if you have enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.